back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 5th to the 9th of May 2025 on Monday. Pex's return to school quickly turned into a nightmare. DJ Thomas considers breaking up with Mapitsi after a narrow escaping being caught. Mr. Homo faces challenges balancing his work responsibilities with looking after his son on Tuesday. Tibo also confronted Mapitsi about her lies. A young woman ends her relationship with her boyfriend through a text message on Wednesday. Pex's world crumbles as his past finally catch up with him. Tibo suggests a double date with DJ Thomas and his girlfriend on Thursday. Pex disrupt lessons and there are consequences for everyone involved. Kwaito disagrees with Tibo's approach to his personal matters on Friday. Mapitsi is shocked by Tibo's unexpected visit to the office while she's in the company for another man. Evelyn takes control, much to the irritation of Alfred. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.